Yo boys, welcome back. I'm gonna be sharing with you the royal chest location. So the royal chest location is pretty easy to find. A lot of people might be asking themselves where I can find the royal chest. Well, it's pretty simple, and to this video I'll be actually covering where you can actually find the royal chest. I will be showing you every single location where you can actually find these royal chests. But first guys, if you do want a double like game pass, comment down below bubbler. If you want this double like game pass, just comment down below bubbler and I'll be choosing two winners. Okay, two winners are able to win themselves the double like game pass into this video. So make sure you guys actually comment down below bubbler if you do want the double like game pass. But first, let's actually share with you where the royal chest location is. So if you can see, there's a bunch of islands above me and there's a bunch of islands below me. When you actually jump on these islands, there will be a big island spawning. So there's a small islands and there is the big islands. So you can see there's like a bunch of small islands, but once upon a time you can actually see there is like a huge island like that one. And with one of these islands having the secret eggs that I just showed you, look at that, there is a island with a egg, and it is pretty much completely random where this island will be spawning, so you have to actually find it for yourself, and for each and every player it will be completely random. But you can see there is the golden chest. The golden chest is on this island, and if you find this island there will be a royal chest. There could be a royal chest on this island. This is a golden chest, so you pretty much find these chests on these islands and they're gonna be above you. Okay, they're gonna be above you when you reach the final island. It's gonna be on the final island. So next to the final island you gotta keep looking, and when you see like an island like this, you can actually unbox the royal chest.